And last question. Given the formula for the area of a trapezoid, A, this is the formula for a trapezoid, A equals a half, bracket A plus B times the height. It says find A, the area, if small a is 3 centimeters, B is 15, and H is 6. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is rewrite our formula. So area equals 1/2 A plus B times the height. So what we're going to do is we will replace 3 goes in here. B, 15, goes in here, and H6 goes here. So area equals 1/2. A is 3 plus B is 15, and then multiply it by 6. Okay, and I say multiply by 6 because it is outside the bracket with nothing in between, so that means multiply. So according to bed mass, we have to do the brackets first. So area equals 1/2, and here we have 3 plus 15. Well, 3 plus 15 gives us 18. Okay, and then times 6. And now we can multiply everything. So remember we talked earlier, if there's nothing underneath the numbers, you can just put a 1 underneath because it just means divided by 1. So 18 divided by 1 is still 18. 6 divided by 1 is still 6. Okay, so now we'll just multiply our numerators together. So 1 times 18 times 6. So in your calculator, 1 times 18 times 6. That gives, oh, I think I made a mistake. 18 times 6. Okay, so 1 times 18 times 6, I just put that in the calculator, is 108. And so let's put in 108. And then 2 times 1 is 2. Times 1 is still 2, so it's 108 divided by 2. And then your calculator, 108 is already up there, divided by 2 gives us 54. So area equals 54. And we're dealing with centimeters, centimeters, centimeters. Okay, so it's centimeters, and because it's area, it's centimeters squared. And that is your final answer.